In this video, I'm gonna show you a particularly awesome website which really pays you money. This video also includes the testimonials of the people who have worked on this website and are getting paid from this website. So you can also start as soon as possible after watching this video. Just sign up on this website and start doing the tasks which are provided by this website, and this is something which works all over the world. There are no country barriers. So smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you, and so that you can take the first movers advantage and make maximum money before anyone. So now let's get started into our awesome video. We are into our computer screen and you can see this all are the testimonials of the people who have been working on this website. You can see all these people have created these videos as testimonials for this website, okay, and all these people have been paid from this website. So let me show you which is the website from where you can start making money, okay. So you can go over here to this website and really make some good money. It is known as pricerebel.com. Now just don't skip the video because I'm going to show you what you need to do to sign up for this website and how you can make money. And if you are gonna skip the video, then you may not end up making money. So that's something which you need to understand. So you can just start it's free, okay. You can just sign up with your Facebook account, okay. This would be the best thing to do, and you will be paid money in PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Steam, eBay, okay. So all these payment gateways are available. Top rewards can be redeemed as Amazon gift card, Roblox, PayPal is the best one. I love it personally, and most of you will be comfortable with PayPal, okay. So what you need to do is that we are looking for members to take surveys. So you can sign up for this website and take surveys on this website, okay, and you just need to provide your honest opinion for the market research, and you can earn points out of it. Then you can redeem those points as gift card or PayPal rewards, okay. So you can see, check out the free rewards from Price Rebel. So you can see these are the genuine rewards which people got from this website. You can see all these testimonials are given by this website. No other website is providing you all these testimonials of real people who have made money from the particular website, and that is the best thing about this website, which is 100% legit website and definitely gives you a full opportunity to make some good money online. And that is something, that's the reason why I love this website, and I am happy that I can show you and provide you information about this website, and so that you can make maximum money as soon as possible. So you can see it has been rated by Trustpilot, Survey Police, SiteJabber, Insider. All these big companies are working with this website, and that is something which is the best about this website. As well as this website also has an affiliate program. So if you refer someone to this website, you can earn passive money, okay. That is also one of the best thing about this website, okay. You can see, sit back and watch your earning grow, okay. Our revenue share program. So if your friends or family or someone signs up on this website with your referral link, then whatever they earn, you will be earning 30% of that money from them. That is the best thing about this website, okay. And you can see here, why choose Price Rebel? It pays you money. That's the best thing. That's the reason why you should be working on this website, is known as Price Rebel. And the best thing is that it's the best thing because you will be earning 30% of whatever they are earning from that website, okay. And that is one of the best thing, and you can earn this. You will earn a percent for a life of without the user, without any limits. Means you can be earning a lifetime money if the user you referred works on this website continuously. So that is absolute passive income which you can make with this website. No other survey website is offering this kind of service, or no other survey website is offering this kind of commissions for referring someone to a particular website. And this is one of the best thing that I I love the most about this website. All you need to do is go over here, check out the testimonials if you are still doubtful and are not able to go and trust this website. As well as you can see over here, it is really easy to sign up. Just enter your first name, okay, then your last name, then your email ID, and then you just have to create your own password. Okay, that is the easiest thing to do. And then you just need to click on this beautiful red button that says start making money. Okay, so this is one of the sweetest button which is ever available in the website, and this is something which is the best on which you can click start making money as soon as possible. So if you got some awesome value out of this video, smash the like button as hard as possible, and also smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you, so that you can take the first movers advantage and make maximum money as soon as possible on the internet. So now we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. And 2 other awesome videos will be displayed on your screen. You can click on them, watch them, and earn even more money. So goodbye.